All they have to do now is wait until President Rodrigo Duterte renders his report on the martial law declaration. As soon as they receive the report within 48 hours from the declaration, which expires Thursday night, senators gather with congressmen for a joint session. Senators have varying thoughts on the matter. Senator Gringo Onasan, chairman of the Committee on Defense, agrees with the president in making the declaration Mindanao-wide.
Even if the situation is localized, you have to make sure that there are control measures to regulate the entry of personnel, people, who will probably be operating under normal conditions, para hindi na naman tayo masingitan.
Onasan does not see a failure of intelligence in the Marawi siege, rather a failure in coordination. But Senator Mig Zubiri, who expressed his deep concern for his fellow Mindanaoans, has a different take.
Ang nangyari sa tingin ko, medyo failure of intelligence din po ito kahit papano. Dahil paano nakapasok ang armed groups na ito sa isang napakalaking syudad katulad ng Marawi.
Senator Ping Lacson also believes intelligence failed.
You can call it that kasi paanong nakapasok yung ganong karaming armed group tapos at the time when the PNP was conducting operations sa Pilon.
While almost everyone support the president in this endeavor, opposition senators Riza Ontiveros and Sonny Trillanes raise some concern.
Yung sinabi mismo ni Presidente na yung martial law ay martial law, hindi magiging iba sa martial law ni dating Pangulong Marcos, ito at ako'y magiging mabagsik. I will be harsh.
Yung kaguluhan ay hindi lumalabas sa Marawi. So, in short, hindi warranted na mag-declare ng martial law sa buong Mindanao.
Senators are one in expressing their deep concern for the people of Marawi, especially innocent civilians. They urge the public to pray for the safety of our soldiers and law enforcers while they go after terrorists and restore peace in the land. Cecil Ardizabal, CNN Philippines.